Step 1. Secure the blades holder. Use a hex wrench to firmly secure the blades holder. Make sure it is stable and cannot move. This step is crucial for proper blade installation. Step 2. Install the blades. Insert the blade with the cutting edge facing up. Ensure the cutting edge does not touch the template. Leave a small gap. Use a hex wrench to slightly tighten the blade. Just enough so it doesn't wobble when moved by hand. Do not fully tighten yet. The blades holder has 2 guiding lines corresponding to the 2 rows of holes. Make sure the blade's edge covers these lines for accurate cutting. Ensure the gaps on both sides of the blade are even. The blade should not be pressed directly against the blades holder at this stage. Step 3. Adjust blade alignment. Use a tool to gently tap the blade forward until it is close to the blades holder. Before tapping, make sure the blade is pressed firmly by the blade cover. The side screws are tightened so they cannot be moved by hand. This prevents misalignment or uneven blade length. As you tap, the gaps between the blade and the blades holder will shrink. If the gaps on both sides are uneven, correct them immediately. Continue until the blade just makes contact with the holder surface on both sides. Once the blade is correctly aligned, fully tighten the screws to secure it. Follow the same steps to install the second blade, ensuring precision and consistency.